Good day, good day. So for today's video, we are going to withdraw our available balance, our earnings again. There I have 9.65, 67, and voila, it's down to zero. And now few days later, I receive an email from PayPal that I already received the money, and there you go. I receive it November 2nd. I withdraw it before the holiday. That's 30. And let's go to PayPal. Voila! I have it. Complete amount without any charges. So previous payout, there you go, 1605. That's also from Sound.me. So yeah, guys, you have to worked on your sound video. So it's really easy. You just have to join the campaign. Just keep checking on your campaign. If any offer will be offered to you, then just do it. Simply as that. All right, that's all for my videos for today. Salamat. Saludar. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching my videos. Happy earnings. Bye.